We are putting stuff back onto the Gladiator that had to be taken off because of paint correction. You're supposed to do this during a not windy day. Michigan weather does not work with you for that. Since the wind and noisy road crews nearby decided to destroy my audio, let's go this route. I always start with using some sort of soap to help clean away any dirt, debris, and try to get any sort of wax or ceramic layers off. After drying the area, I then take another cloth and wipe an area wider than what's needed with isopropyl alcohol. Then, out comes the measuring tape, for 3 reasons. 1, to measure the area that the vinyl piece will go into. 2, to measure the vinyl graphic to make sure I know the proper length. And 3, to pinpoint where the center of the graphic should go. This will help align everything. You'll see that I put a piece of tape in the center area. This is my hinge, where I'll use to allow me to peel the backing off, enough to allow me to stick it down without needing to do the whole piece in one go. Trying to place that, it's not a good idea. That's far too difficult. A squeegee is super helpful in this application process. However, one with some felt on it is way better than one without. But if you don't have a squeegee at all, a credit card can work in a pinch. My peel to reveal scenario. So, in a nutshell, we have the Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park. That is up in the UP. So this is actually a topographical map that you can physically feel, and it is of an area in the UP. Alright, next is the rhinos, and probably the tailgate. When it comes to reapplying the rhinos, it's best to actually do this in the opposite way from what you're seeing. I figured this out on the opposite side. Start by taking the area that is the biggest and easiest to take a large backing piece off of, and then use the hinge method. And when you place that, then you can do all the little intricate pieces afterwards, one by one, versus trying to do them one by one first. It helps to make it a lot easier, trust me. Okay, so on the other side, I did a rough template. And when I say rough, I mean rough. Now, just tape, no big deal. Just giving me an idea so I can get it as close as possible. So the idea is that kind of outlines where everything goes. I'll get some more measurements to get closer, but it's roughly going to be there. Alright, next piece is the tailgate back, and on this part need to take out the camera. So to do that, we can slide it this way, put it back here. That should then allow the camera to have this little tab that's here, push down, and it'll slide through. Like so. Now, close this up, put this down. Again, more cleaning and prep for the tailgate is needed. I really try hard to get this prepped very well. So, my suggestion: 1, don't do this if you aren't sure. 2, don't do this outside if you can help it. And 3, don't do this alone. Bigger pieces are requiring more people, as you'll probably see here shortly. While this isn't going to be the best application process, looks like we'll end up having to do the tailgate again. and I'll do a video on how to take these kinds of things off, because it's gonna be a bit of a challenge. It's not the straightest, but unless you're really looking, you're not gonna notice. But I definitely like it. I may have to see about him sending me another one, because I foobarred it a little bit. So, if so, we'll do a how to take it off and put it back on video, because, you know, why not? Alright, well, as you can see, this is Sticky Vinylz, and it's my dude down there that's done all the other graphics, and I love them so far. I do have tail light pieces, but I might wait off on those until I have this proper again, because, yeah. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.